In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my orders in Amazon Web Services or AWS. The first thing to know is that AWS works a little differently from a regular shopping website. There isn't one simple universal orders page where every purchase appears in one place. Instead, the way you check your order depends on what kind of AWS purchase or subscription you're trying to find. To get started, open your web browser and go to the AWS Management Console. Sign in to your AWS account using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, take a moment to identify what type of order you're looking for. This is important because AWS separates things like marketplace subscriptions, support plans, reserved instances, savings plans, and normal service usage charges into different areas of the platform. If you're trying to check AWS Marketplace purchases, open AWS Marketplace from the console. Then click your account name in the top right corner. From there, choose either your marketplace software or manage subscriptions. In this section, you'll be able to review your active and past subscriptions. You can usually see useful details here, including the product name, subscription status, billing information, and renewal dates. This is the best place to look if you purchase software or third-party services through AWS Marketplace. If you want to view billing charges more broadly, go back to the AWS console and search for billing and cost management. Open the billing dashboard and then select bills from the menu on the left-hand side. This area gives you a more complete financial overview of your account. You can check current charges, previous invoices, service usage cost, and payment history. If you're unsure whether something counts as an order, this is often a good place to confirm whether you were charged for it. For reserved instances and savings plans, search for EC2 in the AWS console and open the service dashboard. Then navigate to the reserved instances or savings plan sections, depending on what you purchased. Here you can review purchase dates, contract terms, expiration dates, and utilization information. That can be especially helpful if you're managing long-term commitments and want to verify what is still active. If you need invoices or receipts, return to billing and cost management and open either payments or bills. Choose the billing period you want to review, then download any available invoices or payment receipts. This is useful for accounting, expense reports, or internal record keeping. For marketplace-specific orders, you can also return to AWS Marketplace and open Manage Subscriptions again to review product details alongside the related billing information. And if you still can't find a purchase, open the AWS Support Center and create a support case. When you do, include details like your account ID, the product name, the purchase date, and the invoice number if you have it. That will help AWS support locate the transaction much faster.